Hello, and today I'm playing Cat Mario. So let's begin. Level 1 times 3 life. Ooh, jumping. You gotta turn the volume down. Sorry, so loud. Can you hear the volume anymore? Oh no. So yesterday I played this game and I kept on dying and stuff happened. Normal stuff happened, like I died. I think that's normal in this game. But I don't know, man, if it's that's normal, if I just suck at this game. No, Cat Mario, you suck at this game. Why do I look like a guy with a weird, I don't know, nose and like this weird ears? This is not a cat, this is some idiotic Chinese version of a cat. I don't know, man. So Cat Mario is like this game, and you can get it. You can play it on cat-mario.com, and it is like troll you, like LOL troll you session right here. So you better get ready for this. This is gonna troll your mind. And if you don't believe me, then just play the game yourself. -3. Okay, I'm sucking really badly right now. As you can see, this game is like LOL troll your face off, if you know what I mean. Oh my gosh, did you see that troll? Now that's what I call trolling. Man, this game is trolling my heart out of my sockets. Man, I'm sucking today. I don't know if you can hear the music, but it's really catchy and annoying. What the heck? Okay, it's a trampoline guy. It's a trampoline peekaboo. Oh my gosh, man. What the heck? I do not understand. No. You do not kill me today. Oh, that's what you get. Cat Mario is like the worst guy. What? Cat Mario, you suck at this game. I wish I actually used real Mario, because you can actually use those red guns of his. There's like red boogers in the original game, but now it looks like fireballs ready to kill your face. Whoa, it's gonna drop. Yeah, you suck, man. You can't even do anything. Oh. Checkpoint more. Yeah, checkpoint. Oh man. Steroid guy. Steroid star. What? Too busy looking at the steroid star, man. It's like so on steroids. It's jumping so high. Oh man, man. What the heck was that? Get Mario, you suck, man. You suck, men. Oh wow, I actually went pretty far than last time. What am I talking about? Yay! Oh my gosh. 4 peekaboos. I think that's what they call it in Mario. I don't know. I think they're called peekaboos, but I don't know. And then here's how to win. Hopefully. No! See how painful this game is? It's making me crazy, guys. It's making me crazy. No! 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 Oh! Oh! No! No. I hope I win it this. Just hope I win it this time, guys. Just hope. 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 Man. Hope. Yes. Yes. I've went so far. Went so far in this game. No time to die, peekaboos. At least that's what I think they're called. But who cares what they're called, right? As long as they die. Hey Thunderbolt, you wanna kill me? What? What? Stupid Thunderbolt. Oh man. I hope I win this time. I hope I win this time! This game is making me crazy. Crazy for Cocoa Puffs. No, seriously, this game is making me crazy. Well, not really, but you know what I mean, right? Yeah, it's a phrase, metaphor, whatever you want to call it. For the win! And the loss! Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. What the heck is Katamario doing to my life? Katamario, curse you. Curse you, the ooh. Pooh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my gosh, man. What the heck is happening to my life? Man, I'm gonna do this time, man. You're my son, man. I'm gonna do this. At least I hope. At least I hope. Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys. Thunderbolt. Oh man, it's gonna be hard, man. Dodging the Thunderbolt and getting past. Oh! Yes! Yes! I did it! I actually did it! Yeah! Yeah! I did it! I did it! Wait, what the heck is wrong with this ad? Looks so retarded. Level 2! Oh my gosh, it was my destiny to get here, but I never got here! Negative 14, I don't care. I don't care, negative 14. What? Oh, you caught me there, Cat Mario. You caught me there. Okay. I guess you caught me there too. That was embarrassing. Ooh. What? What? I have to die? I have to die? Are you kidding me? This! Oh man, I wish this. Oh. Yeah. Woohoo. I did it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What is wrong with this idiot? Ah, man, I keep on forgetting. Yeah, beat that suckaloo. You kidding me? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh man. Cool. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do. Whoa. What the King Boo? Boo-hoo? What? What? Little peekaboo boo! You scared me, you idiot. You idiot. Oh no, I didn't do it. Oh no. Ah, man. What the heck? Yeah. Woohoo. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 No. What is that, negative 25 or something? Oh, 26, I guess. Yeah. 26 negatives. That's just really bad for my health. I think. Menaces. No! Back in the Catamario. What the heck? Catamario. This is a weird name, Catamario. Why would they make a game called Catamario? It's in Chinese language, so why the heck did they like translate it to Cat Mario or something? Like, oh, let's just pretend it's Cat. No! Are you serious, man? Are you serious? Yeah. Whoa! Whoa, that was a close one. That was a really close one. Whoa, whoa, nice, 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 nice tries. Oh no, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I know it's gonna happen. Where is it? Yeah. What the heck is that? Like a dog or something? What is that, a dog? What is that, a dog or something? It made no sense. Oh. Oh my gosh. Negative 31. Oh no, no. Oh man. Oh man. Oh the man it is. 'Tis. Oh, that was close. That was too close. Whoa. Yeah, you're not gonna show me today. Checkpoint! Yay! Wait, what? What are those? Whoa! 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 Is that an actual mushroom or what? Yeah. What the heck? What the heck? Woo! Don't. Should I try it, guys? Should I try it? Oh. Oh. Okay. Man. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no, Steroid Star. So it makes that guy really, really fat, and then that star steroid guy falls in. Makes a lot of sense, huh? Geometry. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh man. Okay guys, that's it. That's gonna end it for today's episode. Hope you liked the video. Do what you do, like, subscribe, favorite, do whatever you do to make this channel famous. I'm out.